This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Beautifully updated large 1-bedroom 1.1 condo in Section 1 horsepower. Close to pool, clubhouse and all activities. Seller installed new kitchen west/granite counters, stainless sink, and black appliances, opened up wall from kitchen to living area, removed popcorn from ceilings plus textured ceilings and walls throughout. Newer vanity and toilet in 1/2 bath, as well as in master bath plus bath fitter shower stall, no tub. Recently painted walls, and 4 inches base all around. New laminate flooring throughout except for FL room that is tiled. New door west/blind in it to FL room from master. New air conditioner and water heater in fall 2021. New lights and ceiling fans. Front door has glass insert thereby allowing more natural light into this condo. Beautifully maintained and very spacious. Call now to see. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.